Welcome to my channel Tavakadamrutam Tapta Jeevanam. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तृणादपि सुनीचेन तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिना मानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा हरिः मानदेन। Give respect to all. Episode 9. We are going to continue Manadena. Manada, giving respect to all living entities. In the previous episode, we discussed something principles. The most important principle is to see how everything is connected to Krishna and the value of everything to Krishna. The more we are able to see the value of offer to Krishna, the more we can genuinely respect people and different objects, even inanimate objects. We don't even kick any inanimate objects out of respect. Is Krishna's energy. By chance, if you kick some chair and something like that, you feel some nervous. Devotees naturally don't do harm to anything. Nowadays, it become common to destroy public property. When somebody's demands are not met, they destroy public property, burn the buses and so on. Because people don't understand these are all properties of Krishna. And therefore they are disrespectful. The training is to see how close to different things are connected to Krishna. Then you respect the even small ant is so much feelings. Even if small ant by chance coming under our feet, if you very grateful, this refined consciousness is necessary. Unless our consciousness is not like that, you won't be able to respect different personalities and different things properly. Just like if you respect someone, then you know the things belong to them. Suppose you respect your spiritual master, you don't mistreat his bed, you don't mistreat his chair, you don't sit on it, you don't mistreat on his clothes, and so on. In the same way, when you realize everything is the property of Krishna, not even one speck of dust should not treat disrespect. That is the consciousness of a pure devotee. The second important principle in offering proper respect to even insignificance. The soul is very, very tiny, is so small, invisible, small, 1/10,000 part of a tip of a hair. So we don't have any powers. The knowledge potency we have, the blissful potency we have, the potency of eternality we have, depending on Krishna. He endowed us those capacities. And even then, the very tiny, if we have forgetful things repeated in so many ways, Kali Yuga particularly recognize very easily. Something has to be repeated 20 times to understand it, and then to execute based on what you understood. That is another 20 times, and then checking we done the right thing another 20 times. So it is quite easy to recognize our insignificances. Even areas we think we are strong, there are many people who can do much better. We may be good Kirtana leaders, but then hundreds of wonderful Kirtana leaders. You play Indra Prabhu Kirtana, immediately we all get smashed. There is no match, is it not? So, in this way, we can even see, even areas we think that we are good. There are many living entities who are much better, and then there is certain capacities we don't have at all. We don't apply. We can't walk like calf as soon as it's born. A calf, as soon as it's born, it walks. But we take ourselves 7 or 8 months to crawl. So, in this way, objectively examine our capacity, we can become increasingly aware of our insignificant position. Today, we are going to apply all these things to people in relation to Brahmanas, cows, women, children, and elderly people. These 5 entities are mentioned in Brahma Samhita as needs special protection, and out of those 5, 2 are most important: Brahmanas and cows. Namo Brahmanya Devaya, Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha, Jagat Hitaya, Krishnaya, Govindaya Namo Namaha. Krishna considers cows and Brahmanas are extremely dear to him. Everyone is dear to him, Krishna, but those who are willfully deviate the population, Krishna of course punishes them. So their behavior is not dear to Krishna. Those who are Brahmanically qualified, that they are accepting the Brahmanical position, Krishna is not pleased with the behavior of the others, with others. We say Brahmanya, Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha. We are trying about qualified Brahmanas. Strictly speaking, Vaishnava Brahmans. So the qualified Brahmanas are so dear to Krishna. There are many statements appear there in the Srimad Bhagavatam about how much Krishna respects the qualified Brahmanas. To read some sections from 3rd canto to 16th chapter. Jaya and Vijaya cursed by sages. So starting from verse number 2, the personality of Godhead said, Jaya and Vijaya by name committed great offences to because of ignorance of me. So the personality of Godhead said about that. We can see from these verses how dear qualified Brahmanas are to Krishna. From this we can understand 2 points. That one of the side, one who was respecting, on the other side, one is receiving the respect. Both sides are, we are careful, is not only one side. Here are there both sides, Jaya and Vijaya. And the Kumaras, Krishna spoke in such a way, he is actually taking the side of the Jaya and Vijaya. And he has spoken in such a way, he pacified the 4 Kumaras by protecting Jaya and Vijaya. He is very, very eager that they should not stay long from Vaikunta, and he is taking the responsibility from themselves because they are so dedicated to him. He considers himself dear to him. They are genuine servants, and therefore Krishna is taking responsibility of their accidental mistake upon himself. So we have to be very careful, those who are receiving respect and those who are offering respect. Both sides are we extremely cautious. On the one hand, there is the responsibility, the person who is receiving respect, to not become puffed up by receiving respect. Puffed up he is receiving, he should understand that it is Krishna's glory that he is arranged the system by that he is offering respect and he is accepting on behalf of Krishna, not on my own right. My own right, I have no qualification. I am insignificant, more insignificant than anyone else. Therefore, I does not deserve to get respect. But it is good to them offer respect. It is to respect them to those living in it is very, very, very important. What is the respect? That is the showing to others. That is showing respect to others, because by offering that respect to us, they make a lot of advancement towards Krishna. Krishna considers him very dear. It is very delicate thing. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada.